2, 3, 5.
キラキラダイヤモンド輝く星のように栄光希望をなんとかして灰の天才渋滞トップ目指して
What can I say? It's dance week. At least I think it's dance week. Because, well, I'm going to have to explain now. Because the team took a week's break because of Expo. I think it was Expo. A convention of sorts. And I guess because the team was taking a break meant that I should take a break too. Which was nice because it's nice to have a break sometimes. But it means that I don't know what's going on because I'm in Australia and they're in England and, well, most of the team are in UK somewhere, so it's confusing sometimes. But I'm assuming that we're on week 126 because it was week 126 last week, but because we didn't do videos, then I would assume that now is week 126, and if not, then I'm just dancing for no cause. Purely for your entertainment or eyeburnery. Either one. It's up so you can decide for yourself. But yeah, no, I can't dance, but I thought I'd just go along with this Burrito thing and try. Believe it or not, it was practice. Or one day I'll be able to dance and I'll rock the world. It'll be amazing. But yeah, until that time, stuck with some pretty bad dance moves. But yeah, I don't want to bombard this video with me talking about a bajillion things that you don't really need filling in on. But yeah, I just wanted to finish off with a couple of things. It's been raining a lot in Sydney. I mean, it's raining right now, this second. But I got some really good footage of when it was pouring. Or in the immediate moments after it was really, really pouring and it was just still raining and I got really wet and I had a hot shower for like 20 minutes to try and warm myself up again and I still couldn't feel my toes, but anyway. Mainly because I stepped in a puddle that I thought was a lot shallower than it was and my whole foot, but you'll see that because I do it. I was testing how fast the water was running. I wanted to show how fast it was running by putting my foot in it so the water would go around it, but then it was like... But yes, it was fun at the same time. So yeah, I've got footage of the rain, and I've just put a song with that because I really want to just like keep talking over the top of it because I don't know, I didn't feel like doing that today. I felt like changing things a bit. So the music that I picked is music that I asked a friend if I could use because he writes his own stuff. And he's really awesome and really cool. And I borrowed some music for it. I asked him first, so technically it's legal. Maybe I need like documentation to prove it, but as long as it doesn't sue me. So yeah, if you want to go check out, if you like the music, you can go check out his channel, and I'll put a link in the box. And also, at this moment, I will try and do one of those shiny, clicky things that are under the screen anytime now. So yeah, you should check him out. And And I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye. Heaps good. You gay.